Well, I'm in Florida, and I decided to practice when I'm preaching, so all I got was my little action camera here. Thought I was going to be here 3 days, and I'm going to be here for weeks. So we're going to go out, shoot some stuff, and edit it. Why? Because that's how you practice. Well, that was kind of fun. Went downtown, this little town here, shot a bunch of stuff. Let's go edit it. There you go. Go out, shoot some stuff, edit, get good at stuff. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And this is my beautiful daughter. Say hi, beautiful daughter.
Wait, I am the beautiful daughter.
Tell me.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.